Hi everyone, this is Kerline. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you guys how to turn this old t-shirt into a bodycon dress. It's really very easy and also something very basic which I think every girl should have in their closet. Also because you can layer this dress up with so many different pieces, and every time you do that it looks like a whole new outfit. So I think it's definitely a must-have, and let's get right into the video. So first of all, place your t-shirt nicely in a flat area. Make sure both the back and the front of the t-shirts are together, wrinkle-free. Check the bottom, make sure there's no uneven edges, and place a bodycon dress that fits you like a glove over the old t-shirt. And also make sure the dress you use is also stretchable. Now pin it down all around to make sure when you start cutting the t-shirt, it doesn't move around. This is a very basic beginner-friendly process to make a dress, as you don't have to worry about how to figure out your body measurements, length, width, etc. And also the sewing is pretty straightforward. All you need is patience. Take your time, move from one step to the other really slow. Next, follow the shape of your dress and cut your t-shirt from one side. Just make sure you don't cut your old dress. So go very slow. And also here we do not need seam allowance as the fabric is already stretchable. It's going to automatically take the shape of your body once you wear it. Moving on, because this dress is not going to have any sleeves and the dress actually starts from the chest area, so mark it near the sleeve hole on both the sides and take off all your pins that you added earlier and remove the dress. Next, draw a straight line joining the two marks at the top with the help of a scale. That's where you're gonna cut it. But before that, you want to make sure the line is perfectly straight. So mine was 24 inches, so I wanted to make sure if it was 24 inches throughout the line, so make sure to do that. Next, of course, cut it out following the straight line. Moving on, all you need to do is turn both the pieces wrong side out. Make sure they are placed nicely, one topped over the other, and pin the sides so when you sew the sides, the fabric won't move around. And if there's any step you don't understand in the video, I will say watch the video as you go, like step by step. Trust me, it makes every single step so much easier when you try to follow the steps one by one while you're doing the DIY project at the same time. So definitely try to do that. After you're done with the sides, pin the top for hemming, double fold it about 1 centimeter and pin it down. Now it's time to sew the sides. While sewing stretchable fabric, I always prefer to use the zigzag stitch most of the time as it's more strong and secure, I feel. So I'm using the zigzag stitch here. Also, while sewing stretchable fabric, it's good to sew at least about 1 centimeter away from the edge of the fabric because it can create ruffle and stretch the fabric, which you don't want. So here I'm following the pressure foot as a guide and leaving about 1 centimeter near the edge. And once you're done sewing both the sides, do not forget to hem the edges of the dress. Now there's two methods to add the straps to the dress. You can use this ready-made string elastic, which you can buy on the fabric store, of course, or you can use the leftover pieces of the t-shirt to make some straps out of it. Because I prefer very thin straps for my dress, today I'm gonna be using the elastic, but not to worry because I'm going to show you guys how to make the straps. So all you need to do is cut out the piece near the neckline in a straight line. And after you are left with the two bits of fabric, first fold it from both the sides and fold it again. Just try to make it as thin as possible and sew it using a zigzag stitch. Once you're done sewing, this is what it should look like. Now that your straps are ready, it's time to add it to the dress. So what I've done is I've measured it 2 inches away from the sides of the dress. Measure it from the seam line, and I've added one edge of the elastic near the hemline. I prefer hand sewing the straps, as you can go back and forth again and again without making the threads visible, and that way the straps are more secure. Sew it a few times and make sure to secure it, tying some knots. I would say first add the straps at the front of the dress. Wear the dress, see how long you want the straps, cut off the excess, and then add the other straps. And you should have your very cute and easy must-have black dress ready. You don't always need to spend about $30 or more on a dress. Just cut one of your boyfriend's old t-shirt or your dad's t-shirt, and that way you can stay trendy while saving your money at the same time. I really hope this was helpful for you guys. I will just say you should definitely try it, and I will see you guys next time with a new video. Bye guys!